Hello, 3D printing lovers. Today I want to offer you an endless coaster generator. How to quickly make this, or that model, without modeling and exactly in the right size. You need this file. All you need is a blender and your 3D printer. Let's get started. For greater clarity, I group the settings into 3 groups: geometry, texture, and transform texture. Vertices controls the number of edges of the future stand. To make it round, specify a larger number here. Just in case, I limited the minimum value to 3. Below are some important geometric dimensions. The radius of the circumscribed circle. Below are some important geometric dimensions. The radius of the circumscribed circle. The size of the border, which, by the way, can be turned off by specifying a value of 0. Count edge is responsible for the detail of the Voronoi texture. 9 is the optimal value. Do not change it unless necessary. Scale, detail, lacunarity, and randomness replicate the settings of the Voronoi texture. Here are some examples of changing the settings. Edge size controls the thickness of the texture fill. Edge size controls the thickness of the texture fill. That's all for now. I'd love to hear your opinion in the community. Bye.